Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got a product from HEYVALUE. This is the baby food maker set. Now what I'm gonna do now is to unbox it and then show you how to use this baby food maker. Once you open it up, you will have the manual instruction and also a recipe book for baby food. Now underneath there, you have the 6-foot container with a tray. Now all this little tiny container, they can be stored in the refrigerator. And also you have 2 silicone spoons. They are pretty flexible as well. Now underneath the tray is the baby food maker itself. And you have a baby food freezer tray. Lastly, we have a silicone spatula where you can scoop out all the pureed baby food from the machine after you're done using it. Alright, so let's talk about this machine real quickly before we start to puree some of the fruits. Now, this thing is super easy to use. There's only one on and off button up top. So basically, you just put on top and then it will start spinning. Now, one of the great feature is that there is a safety mechanism here. So right now, this thing is plugged in, but as you can see, I try to turn it on, it's not working. Now, once I plug onto the container here, now it's working. So it's pretty neat to have that safety feature. Now when you are washing the blade, be really careful because the blades, they are really sharp. Now I'm gonna show you pureeing the apple. This is I would say small to medium sized apple. Now once I cut it up, I put it into the Instant Pot and pour 1/3 cup of water in it, high pressure cook for 6 minutes. Afterward, I let it naturally release, and right now it's super soft. Now is to open this lid. You're supposed to add water into the mix in order to make it more liquid. Now, this is the container that comes with the machine. As you can see, there are markings on here as far as how much volume it holds. So since I'm gonna add in water, I can't really take it out. So I can only add in, but if I add too much, it's gonna be too liquid. Now here I have 120 ml of water, so I'm gonna pour a little bit at a time to see how much it will actually take. Now I pour in about 30 ml to make the apple not too liquid and just liquid enough for the baby to eat. So here. Actually, I taste a little bit. There's still a little of chunk in there. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of water. So I would say like at the most, I will have 60 ml of liquid inside here currently. There's much more like it. I think 60 ml is the good amount of water to add in with the apple. So anyway, let's scoop it out. Alright, so I suppose one small medium size apple will yield you about just under 120 ml worth of applesauce here. So yeah, it's pretty neat.